Seek shelter immediately. Seek shelter immediately.
Did watch two films actually. They were the Greenland films. Have you guys ever watched Greenland? I watched the first one and then I watched the second one. I'm quite interested in those Greenland films. The first one in particular. Second one's all right. It was a bit tongue-in-cheek, but the first one was really good. I'm very much into those end-of-world films, just massive extinction films like 2012 and the Greenland and The Day After Tomorrow. And this one had Gerald Butler in it, right? Gerald Butler. He's the only Scottish guy who can play a Greek king in a mythological story about a true story of 300 Spartans with a thick Scottish accent.
This is where we hold them! This is where we fight! This is where they die! Immortals. We'll put their name to the test.
You know, and still pull it off. It's got to be better than the Odyssey, right? Greenland, on the other hand, Gerald Butler, when I was watching it, I was thinking to myself, he would make a great Last of Us Joel, right? If you watch Greenland and you watch his mannerisms and the way he acts and the way he looks in particular, he could be a dead set for Last of Us Joel character. You just have to get the accent right, which is kind of difficult when you're Scottish, I guess.
Now that's a bit of a problem.